Hi, I'm Carol Fairchild, Chief Customer Officer here at CitNOW. Welcome to this week's edition of How to CitNOW, where I'm going to talk about tips for managers and how they can engage their teams. Video is an extremely powerful tool, and it's really important that you make the most of it. To do this, you need your team to believe that it makes a difference to them. After being involved in video adoption through hundreds of dealerships, I wanted to give you some tips on how, in my experience, you can help your team get engaged. Tip number 1, look for an advocate. For me, it's one of the best routes to speedy and positive adoption. Look within your team. Get one person understanding the value and make them your advocate. Use their results to drive conversations with the rest of your team. And most importantly, get them talking to the wider team about why it's working so well for them. More often than not, when we visit dealerships, there is a direct correlation between the top salesperson and the person making the most good quality videos. Tip number 2 is make sure you're using your data. Use your dashboard to understand who's doing what well, and who isn't. I've always been a believer in using data to drive conversations, and this is one of the best tools in your toolbox. Tip number 3 is about setting objectives. What are you trying to achieve? Is it improving your CSI scores, getting more inquiries converted, or getting red work approved faster? Then make sure you set clear objectives around them and how video can help. Tip number 4 is about driving quality. It's not all about quantity, and I often hear dealerships setting objectives for the number of videos, but you need to ensure that they're quality videos, where they introduce themselves and they're personalising with the customer's name throughout. Otherwise, you'll get poor videos created and it'll defeat the purpose. It's also important that you discuss how you can drive video quality and consistency in team meetings. Analyse and watch the videos as a team, celebrate the successes of the good ones, but don't be scared to highlight the ones where improvement could be made. Next steps. Who's your advocate? Who are you going to use to create the organic growth throughout your team? What objectives are you going to set? And make sure you put video on your agenda with your team. And lastly, drive quality, not just quantity. Thank you for watching this How to See It Now video. We publish new videos every Tuesday on helpful topics. So to get notifications on new videos, please subscribe and click the bell icon.